So we're going to be learning about the Krakatoa volcano that erupted in 1883, and the sound has been recorded as the loudest sound ever to be recorded by man. With that eruption came tsunamis and just all kind of, residue from the ash. And from what I've been studying, a lot of people were killed because of the eruption. I've mentioned it before. There are live volcanoes in Indonesia. You got to know that before even traveling there. The sound could be heard as loud as 3,000 miles away. And it didn't just impact that region. I'm learning that it impacted the entire planet Earth. It's just that powerful. So that's worth researching to me. Because now I'm curious. I'm like, so do people live on this volcano, on this volcanic island? Or this is just amazing to me. Just fascinated now. Okay, I'll be back. I gotta go do some research.